Hi guys, Jeff at Slavens Racing. Just want to give you an update on my 23 300 XCW. I made a video on this bike, I don't know, middle of last year, and I just want to show you the latest rendition because I've made some changes over time here. Nothing real big. Well, actually, it is real big. These forks. I don't think that was on the original build, and these are kind of a hybrid combo that we're not going to be selling because it's the MX Tech fork legs with the Lucky cartridges inside, whereas we're going to be selling just the Raven fork, not the Lucky fork, because that's if you're going with this fork combination, you might as well go get the full enchilada and get the Raven internals. But this fork also works extremely well. This bike's got the oversized front brake on it. Those forks are 49 millimeter. It's got a left-hand front brake right here, and then the clutch lever here, and it's got an automatic clutch. I think I might have added a little more instrumentation here since the last build or last video. I've got engine temp over here and tach over here. And then I freshened it up, put some new graphics on it and some new rubber, and this thing's going to California this Friday for a test with Dirt Bike Magazine. So that's about all on the updates on this bike, I believe. I didn't check the previous video, but I did put these plastic frame guards on here. I know that wasn't on the original build. I dressed it up a little bit. All right, guys, that's all for now on this. Please like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and get out on the trails for some throttle therapy. Hope to see you out riding this summer. That's all for now.